ClickUp understands that most B2B buyers aren't ready to buy. And when they do become ready, they buy from the brand that solves their specific problem. In this Problemotional ad by ClickUp, you can see this really clearly.
All right, agree with client and start time tracking. Great. So for Q4, I was thinking
What are you doing?
Oh, we needed a whiteboard wall. We got this really important thing coming up.
Is that permanent marker?
No.
On my wall?
Yeah.
Rob, how many times have I told you not to use that?
A lot.
Get out.
Okay.
We're leaving.
I'm just gonna take a quick picture. I don't want to lose it.
Get out.
Okay, can you take it? No. All right.
She's an angry elf.
Idiots.
With ClickUp whiteboards, the only thing permanent is your productivity. ClickUp. Try ClickUp whiteboards today.
Hey, do you know where there's another whiteboard?
Get out!
All right, they don't talk about a random abstract problem. It's specific, and they highlight the pain caused by the problem in a really funny way. You can see here that the solution obviously solves the specific problem. This is what we call problem-solution fit. Permanent whiteboards are the old way, digital whiteboards are the new way. It's a clear transformation. In some B2B ads, they talk about a very big, general, abstract problem like, you're not growing enough. But when you do that, it's not clear that you can solve that problem, because anything can solve that. It's such a big problem. It needs to be specific. So unless it's a specific problem that you're marketing in the ad, your Problemotional ad doesn't help you to be remembered as the brand that solves that specific problem when buyers are ready to buy the solution to that specific problem. And a bit more obvious, this ad is funny. And not in any random way. They use humor to strategically highlight the pain caused by the problem. Not being able to save the whiteboard, needing physical space, making the problem even more visible and memorable in the mind of buyers.